guys, welcome to my lesson 2. In this lesson, I'll be explaining you everything about WordPress, why you should go for WordPress for website development. And in my first lesson, I taught you everything about XAMPP. What is XAMPP, why XAMPP is used, and what's the advantages of XAMPP. So now I'll be proceeding with WordPress. Why you need to go with WordPress for website development. Everything you would be knowing in this video. Okay, so let's proceed. WordPress is an open source website creation platform that is written in PHP and uses MySQL database. Okay, so yeah, it was tough to read, it was tough to understand, but I'm here to help you. It's an open source website. Yeah guys, open source means it's freely available for you. So what are you waiting for? Let's create it one. When we go for HTML, PHP, it takes a lot of time, but WordPress made that easy for us. You can customize your website, you can make your customized website just using WordPress, and it's so very simple. I'll explain you in forward modules, but continuing about knowing about WordPress, let's continue. So WordPress is an open source, like I said, it's a free website creation platform where you can create websites for free. You don't have to pay any penny for WordPress for building a website. It is developed for us, written in PHP, and the data which website contains is stored at MySQL database. Okay, moving forward. It's probably the easiest and most powerful blogging website content management system, or we can call it a CMS. It exists today. Okay, so it's a very simple guys. If you have to create a website, go on those times wherein you have to spend days, weeks, in fact months just building a website, just building the codes of website. Gone are those days. Here's the WordPress introduced for you. It's a very easy, and if you are planning to have a blogging website, if you are planning to have any damn website, you can build using WordPress. Okay, so moving forward. WordPress is an excellent website platform for variety of websites. Yeah, you can build variety of websites, and it's an excellent choice also. From blogging to e-commerce to business and portfolio website. Guys, there is no website which can't be built using WordPress. So if it's so easy, so if someone has made our work easy, why can't we go for WordPress? It's a damn easy procedure. WordPress is versatile CMS. CMS means content management system. It has a vast content management system. Our contents are secure also, and it is designed also in a frequent manner using WordPress in WordPress, designed with usability and flexibility in mind. Yes, WordPress is built using thinking about every person. That's why it's very useful also, and it is very flexible also for us to use. WordPress is a great solution for both large and small websites. If I am planning to have an e-com website, if I am planning to have my own startup, my own business, WordPress is there to help for me. Or else if I am trying to have my portfolio or a very small website which introduces about my business. So WordPress also again helps me in building such websites. Okay, so moving forward and letting know more about WordPress. Isn't it interesting? Yeah, it's too interesting. Here are the just few examples of the types of websites you can build with WordPress. It's very few examples which I have gave here, but you can create more and many more. Okay, so moving forward. First is a blog. Our favorite, and every blogger's dream. They have to build a website, they have to build a blog website. But because of no knowledge how to build a website, they have to spend 20s, 30s of thousands just to give someone and to say them that please build my website. I want to create a blog. So guys, from today onwards, no worries, you can create a blog website for yourself, that too free of cost. So let's moving forward. A blog is a special type of website devoted to share thoughts. Okay, introducing you about the blog. Blog is a kind of website wherein we update something daily on a daily basis, weekly basis or yearly basis. Actually not yearly basis. Mostly people go it for weekly, monthly and daily basis. Like if I want to give some recipes daily or twice a day. So blog is something which will help with me. Blog reveals my recent post at the first. Whenever someone comes at my website, they'll be able to look at my blog, my recent post. Okay, so WordPress helps us with getting that benefits also. Reviews, tutorial, recipes and many more. Blogs usually displays the most recent published content first. Okay. Second, e-commerce. I have my offline store. I have my offline presence. I want to move that online. So I'll be going out with e-commerce website. E-commerce website. What is e-commerce website? E-commerce website allows you to sell goods online or sell your services online and collect payment via online. So if everything is available online, why can't we go online? It is easy. It's damn easy to move your business from offline to online. Okay, now next. You can download and install a WordPress e-commerce plugin to extend the default functionality of WordPress. WordPress has capability of building a website, but if you want him to work beyond your limits, you have to download plugins. So e-com plugin will help you to add products to your website and build your website as an e-commerce website. Okay, next example is business website. This website I usually build when I am owning a business wherein I provide services. This kind of website helps me to show my online presence and creates more than expectation opportunities for me, that too online. So that's something great. That's why a business website is a must for everyone. Many businesses will benefit from having an online presence in the form of their own website. If you are saying that you have a store, only your local people would be connecting to you. But if you say you have a website that is www.xyz.com, so www, World Wide Web, your business is something which is available worldwide. Isn't that great? So a business website is a must to be online. If your business needs a website for customers to learn about your company and what you have to offer, WordPress is an excellent option. Customers can contact you, ask for a schedule an appointment and many more. Okay, moving forward. Membership website. I want to create a platform wherein I'll be selling my courses. I'll be making my courses and selling them. So that is what a membership. Two people would be visiting my website. First one would be someone who just want to know about me. And second one would be who wants to know about me as well as who wants to buy my products. So first person who is just visiting my website will be seeing my website. And the second person who wants to have my products, he'll be registering on my website and going for checkout. Okay, so a membership website allows you to put content behind a paywall or account login. To access page or post, user must log in or pay for the content. Yes, as I said, WordPress can also handle membership website with additional plugins. Plugins are great. Plugins help us to create something beyond WordPress limitations. So that's why we use plugins in WordPress, and that's why WordPress is great for us. Portfolio website. if I am an artist, if I am a painter, if I am anyone who can create videos, if I am someone who can create graphics, my website will show my profile, my website will create my portfolio. So that is again something can be built using WordPress. Okay, moving forward. Forum websites. What are the forum websites? Forum websites are something which I have doubt and I want to ask so particular person. I can't visit their offices, but I want to clear the doubts. They are not picking up my phones, they are not responding to my emails. Forum websites will help that kind of people like us to reach a business, a person, anyone. Okay, so a forum website can be a helpful place for users to ask questions or share advices. It's kind of a social media. Yes, it's the best forum website. Believe it or not, many forum websites run on WordPress. Okay, next, event website. If I am planning to have an event in India and I want to get people across the India, I can't be someone who is just working offline days and I'll be expecting that I'll get people all over the India. If I want to get people all over the India presenting at my event, I should have a website wherein people can solve their doubts using events. People can solve their doubts regarding events. Okay, so hosting an event, WordPress makes it easy for you to share your event details and sell your tickets. It is again a great ROI, I can say. It's a great return when you spend on your website. When you build a website, it sells more your tickets rather than selling it offline. And the most important, e-learning website. If you are a teacher and due to some reasons you have to quit your job, so building a website and making one read online, this is something you can do using WordPress, and WordPress can help you to build an e-learning websites too. So students can take online courses, track their process. You can assign them a login ID and password. You can give them online courses. You can track their process, how much they have been learning. They can download the resources which you provide them, and many more from e-learning website. With a special kind of plugin called as WordPress LMS plugin. LMS is Learning Management System. So it helps one to learn everything just on a website. So guys, didn't you think that WordPress is so very awesome? It helps us to build any type of website, let it be a simple or an advanced website. You can build any kind of website using WordPress. So guys, I tried to explain you everything about WordPress in this very chapter. If you still have a doubt, then do comment in the comment section. Okay, thank you.